It's an entirely different era of mobility. One that gives you the unlimited possibilities of space. Wow, and a whole new level of freedom that you've never had before. The spaceship-like mode of transportation is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. It turns ordinary driving into extraordinary travel that's unlike anything else before it. She has her Staria Premium, which can magically open its doors without a single touch. Look at her, hopping in with total ease and completely unfazed. You see, this is why she's a CEO. Even when she has to work while on the go, she's still able to take in the beautiful views through the wide, panoramic windows. Now, isn't that nice? When there's another car approaching, see how the Staria Premium can protect her? The moment she steps her foot inside the Staria Premium, all that stress melts away. With just one touch, making it easy to rest while on the move. So, go ahead and enjoy a power nap while you can, and let that premium class ride on 4 wheels put you at ease. There's even an ambient mood lamp that lets her create an atmosphere, and an air cleaning mode that keeps the air pure and fresh. Look at that, she's fast asleep. But duty calls. Now, let's find out who this friendly looking group is, shall we? Who do we have here? Looks like a seriously influential crew of creators. It may look like they're just hanging out, but they're actually having a lively brainstorming session even while 2 of them are sitting in the front row. Turning that Staria Premium into a trending creator studio on wheels. And being able to swivel around at 180 degrees with ease makes it perfect for their face-to-face meetings. Finally, we have arrived. Setting that parking brake has never been smoother or safer. And do you see those long dresses never touch the floor? It even has a tailgate that closes itself when you walk away. Now that is pretty awesome. Hey, I think that rear light just waved at me. With such a long drive home, why don't you let Staria Premium help it for you? It will keep their whole crew safe and sound. And while some of them plug into the USB ports and get right back to work on their tablets and laptops, others catch up on some Z's. Wait, what's this? Already getting rave reviews and social media love? Hashtag nailed it. Today couldn't have gone any better. Hold up. Sounds like your Staria Premium is alerting you that your crew member is still asleep in the back. Just in time. Is this who we have to thank for the thumbs up? Looks like this little lady and her whole family is headed somewhere fun. Good thing they've got the Staria, which has plenty of room. And plenty of gorgeous styling and design. Buckle up, everyone. They're about to head into the wild to catch tonight's meteor shower. Something our driver here is so excited. Whoa! Fortunately, Staria stopped itself just in time. Whew. See how he can keep an eye on his family even while he's driving? Now, don't be so impatient. You're getting close. So close for that meteor shower. Fortunately, finding the perfect route is easy thanks to the wide, superior visibility. Here's our spot. They can avoid obstacles with the surround view monitor and are sure to have the best seat in the house. Vestaria even turns into a cozy place for the whole family. Uh-oh, time to hurry back inside.